Alright, so now we're going to get our Bitcoin wallet set up. Go ahead and open up the web browser. And we're going to go to bitcoin.org. Scroll down to get started with Bitcoin. Click that button. Number 2, click choose your wallet. Now there's a selection to choose from. I like ArcBit. It runs in your browser. It's pretty cool. I like it. So we're gonna use ArcBit. Linux. Install. Now it should take us to the Chrome Web Store, and here we go, ArcBit Bitcoin Wallet. Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and now we wait. Go ahead and click ArcBit, click Create Wallet. Now it's opening in another tab. We can go ahead and close this tab for now. Wait for ArcBit to come online. Here we go, starting up. Alright, cool. So, just to have a look around, we got our nav bar up here. Wallet, contacts, brain wallet, don't know what that is. A couple of these other things. And we have our account. Now our account is where our wallets are stored. Or our addresses, I should say. So you get send to a Bitcoin address, the amount, fiat amount. You can receive any one of these addresses. Click this. New addresses will be automatically generated and cycled through you as you use your current available address. So that's pretty cool. History shows your history and actions. You don't have to worry about that. So next thing we're going to do is go to settings. Change your language if you need to. Local currency, US dollar, that's for me. Let's see what's always encrypted. Enable this, always save your wallet in a format. Okay. So if you're not holding a lot of coin, you don't really have to worry about this, or turning on always encryption. But if you're going to hold a lot of coin, or you just want to be extra secure about it, because maybe you're going long, you want to click always encrypt. So yeah, before enabling this feature, view and back up your password. So show backup passphrase. So this passphrase can recover all your wallet's accounts, bitcoins, as it says right there. So we're gonna back it up and keep it safe. So you can highlight. You can also press Control A, and that'll highlight everything, and then copy it. And we're gonna store it on our computer. Documents. We'll create a new folder. Arc backup. Press OK. Right click, create new empty file. Arc key phrase. Arc passphrase. Press OK. I spelled arc wrong. And here we go. So we have it right here. Now we're going to paste our passphrase in there. Urge, Pulse Coral, blah blah blah. I'm gonna click File, Save, and that's saved right there. So what you want to do after this is you want to write this down on a piece of paper, maybe multiple sheets if you got a lot of coin. You really want to make a lot of backups. You want to have more than one backup for the more coin you have. So write this down on a piece of paper, put it in a plastic bag, put it somewhere safe where it's not going to get damaged. But remember, somewhere safe, but somewhere you'll remember, and just hold on to it. So we have that, and then always encrypt. Turn that on. Cancel this. Always encrypt. So now every time you open up Arc from now on, let's test this out. Close this. Open up Arc. Wallet 1. Nope. Open wallet. See, now every time we want to open up our wallet, we're going to have to enter the password, and the password is that key phrase. So I'm going to paste that, click Login. So, and now this doesn't run on a server. This is like my Ethereum wallet. It's just a blockchain explorer. It's an interface. This is not stored on anyone's server, which is freaking awesome. So, so now you might be wondering, well, what's stopping someone from just going to my Arc backup folder, reading this, and then copy pasting it? And nothing at all. So, to be extra secure, well, I mean, if we're going to encrypt it, we got to encrypt this as well. So you have it written down somewhere, and now what we're going to do is run this through an encryptor. So let's see, what is it called? infoencrypt.com. Now if you have an Intel chip and then you haven't had it patched, you might not want to use the browser encryptor, because I think it's able to read from the memory, which is bad. So, but you know, we'll take our chances. This is a Broadcom chip anyway, and this Raspberry Pi, so we should be good. We're gonna paste our text to encrypt password. Something you're gonna remember, and something that's secure. Don't make it password, because that's gonna be guessed. You want this to be as secure as your bank password. Hopefully that's more secure than like your Facebook password. So, let's see. Type in the password and then you encrypt this. And what you're gonna get is this. So instead of storing your I keep going over there, sorry. So instead of storing your passphrase in plain text like that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna store this this encrypted text in that file. Control S to save. Already did it. And so I'm gonna refresh this. So then from now on, let's close ArcBit. So let's say, okay, it's tomorrow. I want to transport some coin or whatever. I want to put in my wallet. I'm gonna go to account. I'm gonna click wallet 1, open wallet, and ArcBit's asking for my password. Now I can't paste this, but it's not going to recognize that. So I'm gonna go back to infoencrypt.com. I'm gonna bookmark that, and I'm going to paste in my encrypted message. I'm going to type in the password that I made. And I'm going to decrypt it. So now, as you can see, now it gives us the raw text. Now I can go back to ArcBit, paste this in there and log in.